Has learned federal prosecutors in Washington, D.C. have offered a plea deal to the CPD officer charged with taking part in the insurrection.
And Lourdes Duarte is here with details on that. Lourdes?
Good afternoon to the both of you. That Chicago police officer had only been with the department for a few years. Little is known about him other than he patrolled the 11th district, which covers parts of Garfield Park and Lawndale. On January 6, prosecutors believe he wasn't helping law enforcement, instead had a different goal. He said he was there to save the nation, but federal prosecutors say Carl Cheswick, a 30-year-old Chicago police officer from the Northwest Side sworn to uphold the Constitution, made the 700-mile drive from Chicago to D.C. to take part in a concerted and ultimately deadly effort to overthrow the federal government on January 6 of 2021. Cheswick, who was hired by the CPD in 2018, is one of more than 800 people so far charged with breaching the U.S. Capitol in an effort to stop Congress from certifying the results of the 2020 presidential election.
What happened in D.C. on January 6th was an absolute disgrace. The fact that a Chicago police officer has been charged in that attack on American democracy makes my blood boil, makes me sick to my stomach. And yes, if these allegations are true, it breaks my heart.
During a court hearing this week, it was revealed that federal prosecutors in D.C. offered him a plea deal, though the terms were not immediately known, and his attorney didn't respond to a request for comment. The next hearing in the case is scheduled for August.
This officer is one of those officers we never should have hired in 2018.
Cheswick faces charges of knowingly entering or remaining on restricted grounds without lawful entry, also violent entry and disorderly conduct on Capitol grounds. Prosecutors say Cheswick was identified as a police officer because he was wearing a hooded sweatshirt with the CPD's insignia on it. He was on medical leave from CPD at the time of the insurrection. Federal investigators say they tracked his movements using cell phone data, and they made public a text message in which he used a racial slur. While a plea deal may be in the works, the Chicago Police Department took its own action after he was charged. They stripped him of his police powers and placed him on no-pay status.
CPD should and must always hold officers accountable for their actions both on and off duty. And this time will be no different.
And even if he's convicted, Cheswick wouldn't automatically lose his job as a CPD officer because he faces only misdemeanor charges, not felonies. It's not clear if the Chicago Police Department plans to file its own set of charges against him. So we will see. We'll be watching it.
Thank you, Lourdes. The KKK